Hush. Leave it. Come here, Miklos. Dancing. Why are you guys all fussy? It's cold out here. You like the cold. Hello, who's first? Hello, hello, hello. I'm not at the sheriff's department. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's almost afternoon, but it's cold. It feels like morning. Always be kind is first. Hi. Yeah, ladies, gentlemen, I had to redo my schedule, and I'll be going to the sheriff's department tomorrow. I'm actually kind of glad. It's cold as heck out here. Um, I'm still working on my FOIA request, and I did a lot of homework last night, and I need to help look for a lawyer today. So I had to rearrange a bunch of stuff, and we'll go to there tomorrow. But I wanted to get on for a minute and let you know. Because I did say that I would be here about 11. Um, Little bit of detail. We're talking about the Transylvania County Sheriff's Department in North Carolina, Brevard, North Carolina. And let's see, October 8th at about 1:30 in the morning, they pulled an 18-year-old driver. They pulled him over for speeding and ended up physically, two of them physically, brutally, violently taking him out of the car, holding a taser to his face first, and threatening him with the taser, pulling him out of the car. He ended up with a black eye, skin knuckles, sprained wrist. He was scared shitless. I talked to him for a long time last night, and yeah, he was just scared. Especially after the guy held a taser at his face that told him to get out. Um, North Carolina does have a its own Freedom of Information Act, and similar to federal, they have to produce the evidence. If there's body cam, they have to produce it, and if there's not, where is it? So, but if you guys want to look it up, there's an app for the. Matter of fact, let me go get that card and I'll put the app up here. legal fees and his medical fees. The ransom, yeah. Yes. Oh yeah, you guys, he had to pay $1,000 cash bond to get out of jail. Anyway, this is where this sheriff's department says that they have. So if anybody knows an attorney, a criminal attorney, or a civil rights attorney that practices in Transylvania County, North Carolina, email me. Anyway, here's the QR code. Now, supposedly, when you scan this, you can go to the sheriff department section and find the forms to file a FOIA and an officer complaint. But you cannot. There's nothing there. The website is shut down. They don't have the forms available in the office. I did find here, let me just, well, hold on a minute. I'll turn you around just a second. Smoking a cigarette. I don't want you to see me smoking a cigarette. It's not cool. Let's see. Oh, on the National Freedom of Information Coalition website. Can you see that? Try to do things slower because I don't give the camera time to focus. Anyway, this it has a North Carolina sample FOIA request right there on the website. All that sheriff's department would have to do is copy this letter and have it available for FOIA. But they don't think they have to abide by the state law or the federal law. So state law, since y'all want to argue over state law versus federal law concerning FOIA, state law says that anyone can request public records and no statement of purpose is required. There are no restrictions placed on the use of records and there is no time limit for a response. Section 132.6, and that's chapter 132 of the North Carolina statutes, states that a custodian of public records shall make them available at reasonable times and under reasonable supervision by any person, and shall as promptly as possible furnish copies thereof upon payment of any fees as may be prescribed by law. And as you know, the fees prescribed by law are whatever it costs to make the record, to copy the record. Let's see. Here is, let's see, the sheriff's code of conduct and their contact numbers. Here's the sheriff's number. Crime Stoppers, Narcotics Task. So, not so long ago, a deputy got from this department got charged with assault with a deadly weapon when he had his canine attack a suspect who was already on the ground with 4 officers on his back. He jumped out of his car and ordered the dog to attack, and the dog bit him in the back of the neck, and he got charged. I don't know what the verdict was, but let's see, what else can I tell you? I'm still going through. I still have to print off the federal statute, but I have copies of the state statute printed off for the sheriff or the records keeper. Public records defined. Public record or public record shall mean all documents, papers, letters, maps, books, photographs, films, sound recordings, magnetic or other tapes, regardless of physical form or characteristics. Oh, electronic data processing records, artifacts. It always includes body cam, dash cam. They have to produce their policies and procedures to the public upon request. Yeah, I have a lot of information. We did a lot of research on a little bit on the case. Not so much on the case because we just need to let the criminal lawyer handle that. I do believe that they can't charge him with reckless driving and speeding because speeding is a lesser offense of reckless driving.
Are you?
Yes. Where'd you get that dragon?
Huh?
Where'd you get
Your
that?
friend gave it to me.
Which one, Nanette?
I think so.
That's cool. You remember that one? They hushed it? Seriously? You know that case? It wasn't that long ago. Well, the next day after the incident happened, the sheriff gave him a chance to either resign or get fired. And he chose to resign, and then a year later, charges were filed. So, I want you guys to see my shirt today. It says, "Why, yes, I can drive a stick." It's long sleeve. It's another Timu. And it matches my pants. Look at that. Um, I had some Raisin Bran, actually. And my grandkids made some delicious burritos last night while we were researching and talking and meeting friends. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go and work on my FOIA request and um hang out with the family a little bit, and I'll see you tomorrow about 11 o'clock. And the refrigerator's not getting delivered till Wednesday now. So they sent me an email saying that the refrigerator was getting delivered today, and I panicked. So when I called them, they said, no, it's not scheduled till Wednesday. So I will do this run to the sheriff's department tomorrow. I looked at the satellite view. I'm not going today, Lori. I'm going to go tomorrow. I rescheduled. The refrigerator's not being delivered till Wednesday. I need to help find a lawyer. We've been doing a lot of research. My FOIA request isn't written up yet. I need to type it up. Thanks. I love the shirt. I love the shirt. Um, let's see. But I wanted to let everybody know because I told you I'd be here at 11 o'clock. So watch for me again tomorrow, please, please. And I'll talk to you later. Peace.